Hi, I'm Nefra Dabney, owner of the Big Girls Bachelorette in Manhattan, New York, and this is how to make a romantic spa at home using oranges. You will need an orange, baking soda, Epsom salt, roses, and your favorite scented candles. For step 1, you want to start by mixing approximately a cup of baking soda with a cup of Epsom salt in a warm bath. You'll notice that the baking soda has a little bit of a fizzing action. That actually helps to soften the skin as you soak in it. And your Epsom salt is good to soak away sore muscles. Take a cheese grater and a large orange and zest the orange over top of the bath. Use the smaller holes on your cheese grater so the orange particles drain easier. You want to zest about half a tablespoon of orange zest, and then you can begin to mix. You want to make sure that all of your salt and all of your baking soda dissolves thoroughly. You'll notice that the orange zest begins to turn your water a slight yellow color. That's completely fine. It's actually normal. That is the orange oils being dissolved into the water. Orange oil is really good for the skin. It's very nourishing and soothing, and the acidic quality helps to declog pores. Once your mixture is completely mixed, you'll add rose petals and mix these into the water as well. As you mix your rose petals, be sure to squeeze them and crunch them and break them up. This is going to allow the rose oils to seep into the water as well. Rose oil is very soothing for the skin, and the color of the petals will add that extra hint of romance. And that's how you make a romantic bath at home with oranges. I'm Nefra Dabney, owner of the Big Girls Bachelorette in Manhattan, New York.